Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Absolute Guitar Avenue. You want to learn how to play Guns-N-Roses' Sweet Child of Mine guitar solo? Well then this is the video for you. First I'll demonstrate how to play it, then I'll break it down for you. I'm tuned to E standard tuning. They tune down a half step to E flat. So if you want to tune down to E flat, you would have to go up a fret, everything that I'm telling you now. But I'm in standard tuning right now. So on the 16th fret, whole bend, vibrato, bend it, then put a little vibrato on it, then release it, then 14, 13, hammer on 14, pull off 13, slide to 11. So that little phrase, that first phrase. Second phrase is 14, 13, hammer on, pull off like you did before, to 11, slide to 10, then 11, 13. So those two phrases together. Then the third phrase is pre-bend on 14, release it, then whole step bend on the G string on the 13th fret, release it, 11, 10, 8. So three together. Okay, next phrase, 10, 11 on the G string, then 9, 12, 11 on the B string, then hammer on onto the 12th fret, pull off to 11, and then 9. So it sounds like this. Then a whole step bend on the 12th fret on the B string, release it, and 11 twice. So all together. And then half step bend on the 11th fret on the B string to the 9. Then whole step bend on the 14th fret on the high E, and then release quick. So it looks like this. Then half step bend on the 6th fret on the B string, then the 8th fret on the G string twice. Do that twice. Then half step bend on the 7th fret on the G string to the slide to the 10. Then 4, 3, 4, slide to 8. Then again on the half step bend on the 6th fret on the B string. Then 3 times here on the 8th fret on the G string. Then half bend on the 7, slide to the 10. So all together. So that's the first half of the Guns-N-Roses Sweet Child of Mine. So if you want to learn the second, comment down below in the comment section and I'll do a part 2. So if you got value out of this lesson, make sure you like, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications, and I'll see you in the next one.